To make the chickpeas, in a non-stick frying pan over medium heat, warm the olive oil and stir in the drained chickpeas. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Sriracha sauce. And dried oregano. Cook for about 2 minutes and set aside. In a medium-sized bowl, mix the tahini sauce, lemon juice, onion powder, garlic powder, salt to taste, dried dill, and water. Set aside. In another bowl, mix the chopped lettuce, canned corn, shredded carrot, diced red onion, diced avocado, and chopped parsley. Stir in the cooked chickpeas and mix until combined. Serve the salad on a plate and a drizzle with some of that dressing. Enjoy.